All right. Let's see if I can put 3 in the same hole. Ooh. Move on, record. You can reminisce. My friend's girl. It has a red dot. On the left. I like the grip texture. It's very grippy. Oh. This is my Hellcat. All right, Peter, you got this. He's aiming for the upper right one. Bottom, middle. That's it. It's so much heavier than all the other ones.
That's why I like it.
I'm gonna do like 5 rounds. Hit me in the face. Oh, I hit low.
Money that way too, yeah. Instead of like buying and then trying.
When I rented guns back then, no membership, I just ate the prize. Way in. Make sure you take it out and then slam it back in. Make sure the
Ready to go.
Yeah, it's ready.
Hold it up.
Just make sure to flip the safety down. You need to push. This wand is 2 World Wars. Keep the gun pointed down range. Take out the magazine.
Didn't go off.
Let me
blow it.
Let me get down there. You don't want that bullet anyway. You can take it in the little booth over there.
It's a little bit more.
There you go, Pete.
Your red dot is on target.
Got it? Thank you.
Ball can dang yo too. He didn't put the magazine in yet. That's the front, yeah. Just slide it all the way in there. Oh, my turn. We're empty.